Recruitment is the process of finding the right people to meet your human resources demands. Recruitment can be an expensive process. It costs time and money to place adverts and interview people. So recruitment adds to the costs of a business. The more you have to recruit, this will ultimately lower your profits because it raises your costs. Recruitment costs are expensive. That's a point to mention. So businesses like to encourage staff to stay because every time you have to recruit, it costs you time and money. 4 occasions when businesses recruit. Number 1, when you are starting up a brand new business. Number 2, if your company has grown. So imagine your sales are going really well and you just need extra people to keep up with demand. So when your output and production have increased and you have grown, you may need to recruit extra people. You may need extra people following a merger or a takeover. Number 3, to replace staff who have left. Retirement, dismissal, maternity leave, long-term sick pay, or people who have just left for another job at another company, maybe promotion. Number 4, to fill a skills gap, like you need somebody who speaks French, or you need somebody who can do computer networking, a skills shortage. When you are talking about when and why businesses recruit, here are some words to help you. So if your business's output needs to increase, so if you need to make and produce more goods and services, you might need extra staff. Number 2, shortage. You may have a skills shortage. Maybe you need someone who speaks a certain language. Maybe you need somebody with IT skills. Maybe you need somebody who is a social media expert. Promotion, retirement, dismissed. There are 3 reasons why people leave their jobs and need replacing sometimes, okay? I've put increased production on there. If a company has to increase its production or increase its output, so make more things, they may need more staff, okay? Whatever business you work in. You can't ask people to do everything. Sometimes you just need to get extra people in to help out. Analysing your HR requirements means having a really good look at how many staff you need, what type of staff you need, so what skills they have, when they will work, what type of contract you will put them on, and other things like that. Businesses carry out an analysis of HR requirements regularly in an attempt to save costs, to make them more efficient, and to make the business more productive. So that is something that is done not just when businesses start up, it is done regularly by all businesses. At least once a year, conduct a thorough analysis of your human resources requirements.